Today we're going to talk about 10 weirdest looking birds in the world. Be sure to watch until the end. 1. King vulture. King vulture is a huge vulture with bare head and neck skin. Its plumage is black or dark grayish-brown. The upper body, shoulders, and thighs are also dark-colored, whereas its belly is pale. The genus name is derived from the Spanish word rey, meaning king. It is the heaviest of the American vultures, weighing up to 21 pounds. King vulture gets its name from the Spanish word for king. These birds feed on carrion and garbage. That's why they have strong beaks. As carrion is often found in remote places, king vultures tend to avoid soaring high in the sky and usually glide close to the ground to conserve energy. Although eating carrion might seem disgusting to some people, vultures play a vital role in keeping the environment clean by getting rid of dead animals and cleaning up our environment. King vultures are distributed from southern Mexico to Argentina. According to legend, this bird is considered a king who delivers messages between humans and the gods. King vultures are usually seen as symbols of death in many cultures. However, some indigenous cultures believe that these birds can deliver messages from the gods, which may explain why they are called kings. 2. Rupicola. Rupicola is a bird in the Cotingidae family, typically found in South American rainforests. There are several species of Rupicola, but they are all similar in appearance and behavior. Males have bright orange plumage and a distinctive crescent-shaped crest. Females are much more subdued in color, usually brown. The name Rupicola comes from the Latin word rupes, meaning rock, which refers to their preference for living in rocky areas. They also have strong legs and feet, allowing them to grip onto rocks and cliffs with ease. Rupicola primarily eat fruit, but occasionally they will consume small snakes and lizards. Their diet varies depending on the season and location. 3. Birds of paradise. Birds of paradise are known for their vibrant colors and elaborate courtship displays. But did you know that they have a secret that makes them truly special? According to researchers, these exotic birds have feathers with microscopic structures that scatter and absorb light in different ways, creating a glossy, iridescent effect that shimmers and changes colors in different lighting conditions. The dazzling display of colors on their wings is what gives these birds their beauty. Their feathers are specially designed to attract mates and impress potential partners. 4. Golden pheasant. The golden pheasant is native to China, but now it can be found in England, Scotland, Spain, and France. The bird has spread to these regions thanks to humans who have introduced them as game birds. This pheasant is one of the most colorful birds in the world, with a very long tail that can grow up to 3 feet. Male golden pheasants are larger than females and can weigh up to 14 pounds. Their plumage is a mix of gold, red, green, and blue, and they have a distinctive white eye stripe and a black beak. During mating season, male golden pheasants perform an elaborate courtship display that involves puffing out their chests and shaking their tails. Females typically lay 9 to 11 eggs, which hatch after 3 weeks. Baby golden pheasants are able to walk and swim soon after hatching, and they are fully independent within a few months. 5. Hornbill. Hornbills are found in tropical regions of Africa and Asia. They are omnivores, feeding on fruits, insects, and even small animals such as snakes and lizards. Hornbills use their beaks to tear apart fruit and locate insects within trees. Despite their size, they are strong flyers. Hornbills have very short tongues, so they cannot swallow food directly and must toss it deep into their throats. This behavior is unique to hornbills and sets them apart from other bird species. Another interesting feature of hornbills is that they are one of the few birds that have both eyelids and a beak that is disproportionately large compared to their body. This unique combination of characteristics makes hornbills easily recognizable and sets them apart from other birds in their habitat. 6. Christmas Island frigatebird. The Christmas Island frigatebird is a seabird that lives on the remote Christmas Island in the Indian Ocean. It was given this name by locals because it is known to steal food from other birds, making it a true pirate of the skies. These birds are medium-sized, with long, pointed wings and a distinctive red throat pouch. Males and females are similar in appearance, but the males are slightly larger. Christmas Island frigate birds typically live in pairs and travel long distances each day in search of food. They feed mainly on fish and squid, but they are also known to scavenge dead animals from ships that pass by the island. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Christmas Island frigate bird is its unique breeding behavior. During the mating season, the male birds inflate their red throat pouch to attract a mate. Once a pair is formed, the male will regurgitate some of its food for the female as a form of courtship. After the eggs are laid, both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. 7. Potu. The potu, scientifically known as Nyctibius grandis, is an extraordinary bird that belongs to the family of nightjars. It is named after the West Indian word potu, which describes its call. With large yellow-black bulging eyes and expert camouflage, its brown, gray, and white plumage resembles tree bark, making it look like a harmless branch. The potu spends its days perched on a leafless branch, remaining motionless for hours to blend in with its surroundings. This behavior makes it difficult for predators to spot them, offering excellent protection for these unique birds. But when they do fly, they reveal another remarkable trait. While gliding through the air, their wings create an eerie whistling sound that adds to their mysterious charm. 8. White-backed blue pheasant. The white-backed blue pheasant is a rare bird that is endemic to Taiwan. This pheasant is found in broadleaf forests at altitudes ranging from 200 to 2,000 meters. Its distinctive appearance makes it a sought-after sighting for birdwatchers. The bird has iridescent purple-blue breast feathers, white and red wings, and a long tail and crest. This pheasant is a ground-dwelling bird that feeds on insects, worms, and other small creatures. It is also known to consume small amounts of fruit and vegetation. The white-backed blue pheasant is considered near-threatened due to habitat loss and hunting pressure. However, conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique bird and its habitat. 9. Andean condor. The Andean condor is a scavenger that can be found in the Andes Mountains of South America. It has a wingspan of up to 10 feet and a distinctive white ruff around the lower neck, especially in males. The Andean condor is the largest of the 3 condor species and is also the largest carrion-eating bird in the world. They often build their nests on cliffs that are inaccessible by ordinary means, making them difficult for predators to reach. The Andean condor is one of the slowest breeding birds in the world, laying only 1 egg every 2 years. The incubation period lasts between 54 and 58 days, and the young condors are able to fly at 15 weeks of age. Andean condors are among the longest living birds, sometimes reaching 70 years of age. They are also known for their intelligence and playfulness, often stealing food and harassing other birds. 10. Mandarin duck. Mandarin ducks are native to East Asia and can be found in China, Japan, Korea, and Russia. They are popular ornamental birds kept in gardens and parks in many parts of the world. The mandarin duck is considered the most beautiful duck in the world because of its vibrant colors and unique markings. Males are more brightly colored than females, with a green head, red collar, white chest, and brown body. Females have a gray head and brown body with orange and green markings. Mandarin ducks typically mate seasonally and are monogamous, forming seasonal pairs. Interestingly, female mandarin ducks do not quack like most other ducks. Instead, they make a sound similar to a harsh laugh or cackle. Mandarin ducks are generally peaceful creatures, but they can become aggressive during mating season. Males will often compete with each other by puffing out their chests and arching their necks to appear larger. Despite their beauty, mandarin ducks can be challenging to care for in captivity. They require a large, clean pond with plenty of plants and hiding places. Thanks for watching. Which bird did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Like always, if you enjoyed it, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and leave us some love in the comment section. To keep up to date with all of our awesome videos, be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss a thing. Until next time, take care and stay curious.